What's going on, everyone? I'm Tesh with Tech, and guys, we just got our first ever look at pictures with the Pixel 3 and Pixel 2 using night sight. So some developers over at XDA found the APK had the feature already built in, they just had to turn it on, and they turned it on, and now you can get night sight on your Pixel 3, your Pixel 2, and even the OG Pixel. So I'll have a link in the description where you guys can download that APK, and just know that it's not going to overwrite the camera app that you currently have because it's still not the full version, so it's still in testing. Obviously, if they was ready to go, they would have just turned it on, but they haven't. So anyways, all this to say that today we're going to be taking a look at some samples with night sight on and with just normal camera using no flash or anything like that. So let's take a look at those samples so you guys can see for yourselves what night sight can really do. All right, guys, there you have it. That is a quick look at what the Pixel 2 can do with night sight. So yeah, it makes pictures a lot brighter, even puts in details that aren't there. And it somehow gets colors more accurate than when you're using it without night sight. So it's kind of really impressive what they're able to do. Now, they're not the best pictures in the world, but they're still really good for what they are. But yeah, with that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys in this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this one, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.